Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Want to upgrade to a larger M.2 SSD without reinstalling Windows? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Before getting started, prepare your new M.2 SSD and connect it to your computer. If you're using a desktop, power it off, remove the side panel, and locate the M.2 slot on the motherboard. Carefully insert the new SSD at a slight angle, then press it down and secure it with the mounting screw. Once the drive is installed, power on your computer and make sure Windows detects the new SSD. Open Disk Management on your computer and find the new SSD. Now right-click it and create a new simple volume. After that, you can see the drive in this PC. Before cloning Windows 11, you should get a Windows cloning tool. iSunshare CloneGo is used here. This software allows you to clone the Windows OS safely. You can also clone the whole disk if needed. Next, launch iSunshare CloneGo and choose the copy feature. Select your current system drive as the source. Then choose the new M.2 SSD volume as the destination. Review the disk information carefully. Then click Start to begin the cloning process. The software will copy your Windows 11 system, installed programs, settings, and personal files to the new SSD without reinstalling anything. When the cloning is complete, shut down your computer and boot from the new SSD. That's it. Your PC will start up just like before, but now you'll have the speed and extra storage of your new M.2 SSD. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.